I'm making a dirty car.
No, you're sleeping in my damn bed at 2 in the morning and you're hugging all the covers.
Whoa, wait a minute now. You said that was important to say.
Yeah, but we each have a bed.
I got no bed. I got a damn grill in there.
Because when we went to the bed store and you saw a man grilling hamburgers, you said, that's what I want to sleep on. So I bought it for
What
you.
happened was we went to the bed store and I saw a man outside grilling hamburgers. And I said, that's what I want to sleep on. So you bought it for me.
Look, you made your bed. Now you gotta light it, you want.
I ain't gonna lie in the bed because I'm in the bed because it's a damn grill.
I'll give you a treat if you stay in there all night. How does the speaker sound?
Sounds like it's gonna get sticking up your ass. I ain't gonna make it that long because a damn monster in my closet.
See? Then I'll tell you what.
Go check the sound.
Nothing.
Go check it again.
Okay, there's still nothing there.
Check it
I'm
again.
not gonna check it again. There ain't nothing there.
Did you guys hear like some scratching and howling like something horrible was trying to rip its way through into our realm? From the depths of a fiery hell?
I heard that very same noise too.
Shit, don't make it worse.
It's only gonna get worse if it gets out. It needs to feed fire.
Meatwad, get down off the ceiling.
Not until someone checks that sound. Because I think he's in the sound.
There's nothing there, Meatwad, nothing.
Yeah, come on, Dad. I'm sure it's nothing. But it could be this. Or this. Or even this. Possibly this. But probably this. That one's got haunting eyes, doesn't he?
Will you get the hell out of here?
You can't hide the truth. This room is crawling with evil.
Meatwad, listen close. There ain't no monsters living in your closet. Monsters don't exist. And even if they did, you know I would be able to kill them with my kung fu power. So we're cool, right?
Yeah, we're cool as long as you get a new comforter down in your room. As long as we start all that.
Fine, I'll take the rug. Damn, my leg is stiff. Meatwad, get up. Meatwad? Meatwad!
Yeah, he was devoured by raging keys in the night. Probably a monster.
Ain't no monster, Shake.
Coffee?
Oh, thank you.
Hey! Wake up, genius! Your damn credit card's missing. It was a monster.
Where's Meatwad?
Well, don't Kristen, give me some 4 more dessert cocktails. Also, I want to go ahead and get that half-day spa with the massage with hot stones. I'm having trouble with the high-speed internet access. Why don't you send one of the detectives up here and see if they can get that ironed out for me? Because my tower's running real slow and can't seem to access my picture.
$9,000 in the minibar. You called my home number. Does it sound like I stayed there last night? No, I didn't authorize that.
Thanks for the ride, Monaco. Just keep it running. I know you need to run to the mall later and get me one of them brand new belt with a big buckle. Don't worry about it. We throw it all in the cars.
And what card is that?
Oh, the credit card. You just give this to a person, and you get something.
You stayed at a hotel last night.
I did. Awesome.
The honeymoon suite?
Oh, it's got a beautiful view of downtown and the pier. Why wouldn't I stay there?
No, I canceled the car. You live in here from now on, okay?
Vanessa, I checked in with the concierge.
Well, I guess they're gonna have to get a ride back here with the limo driver then, aren't they?
All right, let me give you a knock on the horn.
No horn. You about to start raking yours for the rest of your life, mister.
You know and I know that I got a monster in that closet hiding in the sun, waiting till nighttime so he can even kill me.
I captured thermal images of his whereabouts last night.
Don't listen to him.
Yeah, don't listen to me. Don't even listen to this recording I made.
What does that say?
This is a rough translation. A tasty snack of which I desire is the meat man.
Oh, no.
Oh, like you're not made of meat. I'm not made of meat.
I'm made of meat.
Oh, there you go.
Meatwad, listen. We're gonna find this monster, and we're gonna destroy it. And then the problem is solved, right?
Well, only I can track them, but that requires you meeting my enormous feet. I've studied the monster for years. I know its patterns and I know its weaknesses. But as you know, my major was in model management and theater. But my minor is in my strong.
He's got a point. You'd be foolish not to hire him.
We'd be dicks to hire him.
Raw, yeah, raw. Take off them granny panties and set aside them clutches. Cause the monster's coming to get you. I got ya.
Hey, Carl.
Hey, Fry Man. What are you doing here?
Well, what are you doing over there?
No. What are you doing here? In my private house.
Well, I knocked, Carl. No one answered.
That is correct. And for a very good reason.
So what are you doing?
I am checking sports scores.
And you always got an erection when you check your sports scores. That's gotta be embarrassing.
Nah. I've discovered through the internet you do anything you want as long as no one sees your face. It's like the Wild West over here. My larger point is, see, you don't like my balls hanging out? You look away.
Well, I kind of need your help, but you're probably busy.
Whoa, I help you. I am a neighbor. How much money you give me?
I don't have a lot of money, Carl, but what if we had a pizza party, huh?
I've been down this road before. You got the coupon for the garlic breadsticks with the onion dip and sauce?
Yeah, whatever, sure, we can do that.
All right. You change.
No, that's actually perfect.
God, are you friggin' into this too?
This special ghost light will pick up the apparition residue so we can track it.
That's funny. This looks like a black light from that white line poster. Who's too embarrassed to hang up?
Well, it's not. Look, apparition residue is here.
Apparition residue? My company finds actual monster footprints, and we carbon date them to the exact moment that the beast enters the house.
Hell yeah, we do that too.
Pictures of the monster. Did he even offer you a photo package?
I don't think so.
We have classy 8x10s, 11x14s, wallets, calendars, framed, unframed, patterned. We're here to work within your budget.
You can't even find a monster. Checks offer me dang photo.
No, not just photos. I capture him in a decorative vial so the monster can be displayed.
How do you plan to do that?
With this monster vial. Which will trap him in plastic. And for you, I'll throw it in for 4 payments of $89.99.
What's the point of the chair?
Chair trap. Monster sees it. Hey, I'm going to take a break for being scary. That looks good. I'm going to sit down, relax. Boom! Oh no, I got trapped. Diamond cyber shackles. Capture them for our client.
Meanwhile, it's the same chair you've been looking at the past 10 years.
But this time, look, it got chains in
No,
there.
please back away from the mechanism. That's a nickel.
You got a cyber diamond chain trap with a nickel mechanism. He's got some dumbass purple light.
How about a sticker of a mighty unicorn?
I don't know, man. I just don't know.
Look, I can tell you're uneasy. Why don't you take a moment to think about it? Take all the time you want. But just know that my offer is expiring in 0.1 seconds. What is your decision?
I'm putting the balls off the monster.
I'm glad we were able to wrap that up for you, sir. We had discussed a credit plan.
Yeah, I know, but I like children.
Now that's a standard illusion. A monster altered your mind to think he was killed. But in fact, he's right behind you. No, just left. He is quick.
No, he's dead shake. We all saw it. Meanwhile, help me drag the monster over to Carl's house.
Oh, look. He got a hand.
No, don't pretend.
Oh no! The monster's ghost! Everyone, stop. Just listen. Do you hear that?
It's a monster's ghost, just like you saw. It's been quiet, though.
Because he's shy. Not good in social situations. He feels awkward. But one-on-one, he'll open up to you.
Ask him what he wants. But don't ask him in front of everyone. I don't want to make it awkward for him.
What's happening? You want to eat his soul? Oh, don't do that. Come on, he's a nice...
Shake, enough of that crap. Actually, I do.
God, what is that noise?
It's a monster. I'm not being validated.
Oh, look, it's just a triple Starsky. Hey, Starsky.
You want something a little weird?
Damn it, we're on the ground floor.
I love you. To see the sports shining for me. Yeah, so.
Finally. We're going home now.
You're sleeping here in your bed, man.
that we don't need.
Masturbation is sexual tone.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Hello, ladies.
What are you acting like? Adding such a small penis.
Are you ready to get wild? Have you lost your mind, brother? I'm the king of the shop. What the fuck?
It's Chevy Truck Month. A time when truck guys can depend on great offers on the 2014 North American Truck of the Year. Chevy Silverado, from the family of the most dependable, longest-lasting, full-size pickups on the road. It's Truck Month. Trade up to the Silverado Crew Cab LT All-Star Edition for a total
time
value
are we
of
at?
$500.
11 minutes.
See your local
Again.
Chevy dealer today.
Hi, can I help you?
I'm looking for a phone plan. It has to be a great one.
They have about 10 gigs of data to share, unlimited talk and text, and you can choose from 2 to 10 lines.
Wow, sounds like a great deal. So, you're getting exactly what I want now.
Appears so.
Now, I'm not too sure what to do online right now, because this is where I usually start throwing things.
Oh, that's terrifying.
AT&T's best ever pricing. 2 to 10 lines, 10 weeks of truly shareable data, unlimited talk and text, starting at $130 a month.
At Subway, we're seriously into veggies, which is why we prepare the fresh in store. We're all about finding unique veggies, making your sandwich a one-of-a-kind creation. So come on in, get your veggie on. Subway, eat fresh.
Yes! These sticks go! Yes!
Oh
Yes! Snap into it! Yes! Snap into it, switch it.
My name is Irina Lant, and I live in Seattle, Washington, and I was born in Moscow, Russia. Before ITT Tech, I was bartending, and sometimes I had to work 2 different jobs. You don't get to see your family. I decided to do something about it. I've been driving by this big building with this ITT Tech site on it. I work for Play Network, and I'm a network support engineer. I was really, really proud of her to the way that she stuck it out. My mom is a role model to me. I definitely would have gone to ITT Tech much earlier than I did. I don't know what I was waiting for.
Scholarships and financial aid are available for students who qualify. To find out more, visit us on the web at itt-tech.edu. ITT Technical Institute. Education for the future.
Maze is a dangerous place. Dangerous Friday. I think it's time to find out what we really have against. Unlock. Every. Correct this place. It's not what we thought it was. The Maze Runner in PG-13 for a name.
Today's airhead moment is a cherry catastrophe.
Yo, what?
Fight is a fightable airhead fight. The world needs more airheads.
All of these organs in this time when you have with that family, what came with the photo album?
That was fun time we had. With that black family, what a place in it all the time.
I think Dad put them girls too hard.
pillow top mattress was stuffed it into a power science all soaked in her.
We still recording it. What time are we at? We are at 16 minutes. Taking about 5 minutes.
All right. I think that wraps it up. Okay. Wow, you had the original bones of Cable Yarborough. And the tragedy is, I never got to share them with you. And clearly, I think Cable Yarborough's still alive. That's because he won't hear it this far. Fire consumes every damn thing. Okay. One diamond on display for you. Yeah. Now that should be around here somewhere. Flames won't burn a diamond, you know. Flames may have shot someone like a rocket ship. I don't know. Hell, I ain't no fireman. Oh, diamond. Well, these little rusty side spare project survived all this. Hey, that's a mad project. And it's a second one growth of nearby marijuana plants. Yeah, let's move on no matter what you hear. If I think I don't be over my face, come on back there. Okay, 8 or 9 seaters. 10, 12. 15. 12 now. You're 12. He's right. It's 12. And top of the line. Only the best, my family. Hop over to around the same. Smoking far right. Sure, red. We're down one of them. That's right there. Marina. Come on, man. You ain't got no marina. Fire took my marina. Oh, hell. Oh, let it over with us. All right.
Calm down now, honey. You'll be all right. So, did you cut us the check now, or you front us the money?
Well,
How does it work?
just like last Tuesday, basically. Yeah, I write up a report, we investigate, insurance cut the check, and you rebuild ignoring codes using it for every dirt.
And thank the Lord, policemen's been banker upon our house again. Maybe mid next week. Does that work for you?
Now, I am scheduled to get a firm Wednesday, so he and his papa wife could maybe try to hold off to the weekend. Oh, boy. That'd be great. You know, this humidity, this place hell with the activator.
Hey, Sheriff, what you think calls the fire this up? Rascal, darn you, rascal.
Things happen for a reason. But you ain't got to go and put a tank on there. Yeah, but something is bothering me, though. Now, how can you have a gas leak when you don't have any utilities up here? What about good old natural mountain bag? Hold my phone. Yeah, give me a bug. Well, it's still funny to me. Bear with me. I have a beer. Here we go. Well, evolution was a theory too, but it's possible was Jesus. They really used to throw the non-believer off the fence.
Well, I didn't come from no monkey's butthole.
All right, now everybody just listen to me. Now, to the train died, this fire started here. It's just primitive butane it's already lit and burnt. Coincidence? Maybe. We're looking for burn patterns here. See, mine naturally burns upwards. But there's another direction that hadn't been considered here. Down. That's right. The flames came from above. From up above? Up on the tree? Yep. Aliens. I'd say the ship arrived at Warp Speed around 2 a.m. And judging by the grain of this wood, they're using laser beams. Technology we humans don't have yet. Rusty fleets. Yep. That's the thing they go by. See, there's reptilian appears to be. And according to my drawing, they wear tight red jumpsuits with white legs. They're sheer for a while. And they'll stop at nothing to get them.
Okay.
Well, that I don't know, but I damn sure intend to find out. I've got aliens on my mind. Constantly.
Still recording? We are recording. Alright, here.